Yeah. Hi all. Today I have Rosie with me. She is one of our weight loss beneficiary who has started her weight loss journey 2 months back, and she's still in progress. So she is here to share her excitement till now. So hi Rosie, welcome you. Rosie, tell me a little background about yourself.
Yes. Hi everyone. Hi my guide. Yes, I'm Rosie Chetri. I'm 29 years old with lots of health problem. I was having health problem, and I'm from Bangalore.
Okay. So Rosie, when you started, how much was your weight, and now how much you lost?
Yes. So I started just before 2 months from today. So I started from 1st of July 2020. So that time my weight was 70.4, and today I checked because today is my 2 month got over. So today it's showing 61.2. So exactly I think almost 10 kg. So yes, now I'm 10 kg down.
Great. So, Rosie, when you had contacted me, you had also talked about a couple of your health issues, correct? So, how is, how are you feeling health-wise? Can you tell us little about that?
Yes, when I started my program that time, I was having lots of problem like gastric. Gastric was my main problem and bloating problem. So yeah, because of that motion problem also. So I was like trouble. I am in trouble. I am in trouble because of this. So I was not able to concentrate on my work because of this bloating. So yes, it got solved very nicely, and within a month I got the result. Like yes, it got solved. Now I don't have any bloating problem or any acidity or gastric problem. So yes, I'm very happy for that.
I'm also very happy. But one more thing, I think you had mentioned that you are a big foodie, है ना? You're a big foodie. So and you had a lot of craving. So you had asked me, Tina, will I be able to do it because I'm a great foodie? So would you like to put some light on that, on your craving part?
Yes, I never thought like I can do this program. Okay, I thought I know about this program from like long back, but I was not gaining that confidence. Like I can do that because I was very foodie, so I can't leave about without munching or something. Whenever I get free time, I used to munch a lot. I mean sweets or whatever I get nearby me. So yes, that got solved, and I'm like not believing only. I can't believe only that I am not like foodie now. I can say very proudly like I am not foodie now. I can live without all this craving. So yes, my craving stopped now. Before when I started that time, it was like little bit tough for me because I used to munch a lot. So now it's like totally gone. And because of Tina Di, thank you a lot. Thanks a lot. Because of your guidance only, I started good thing, and yes, craving is gone.
Great. So your craving is taken care. Craving for junk food, right?
Yes.
So the last question, Rosie, overall, what you felt till now in this program is still it's in progress. Few more kgs has to go now, but you are almost done. So you tell me till now how are you feeling?
Yes, when I started this journey, I thought I don't know I can continue this or not. I said I was very foodie and I can't stop eating good things and junk thing. So in this program we have to avoid all this thing. Like I love sweets, we have to avoid this. So it was a little bit tough, not little bit, so much tough for me when I started the journey. But now it's like I'm super happy because before when I used to do a little bit of a walk, that time I used to feel very tired. Like I feel like a little bit I'll sleep, I'll just go and rest. But now it's not like that. So yes, and other thing is food. I said about food, I'm very foodie and all. So in this diet, it's not like restriction is not there. Like you have to eat just limited. It's not like that. We have to eat full stomach. Like sufficient we can eat. How much we want, that much we can eat. We don't have any restriction. Like only this much you have to eat. So that is good thing. And yes, it's not like very plain food and just boil and like that. It's not like that. We can add our spices and we can make it tastier and eat, and we can enjoy this program a lot. Seriously, I enjoyed that. Means anyone can enjoy this program.
Very nice.
Yes, and other thing is this program helped me to weight loss. Obviously, I tried it before a lot by doing it myself only, but that didn't help me. this program helped me a lot. My health problem solved. So that is very like big thing for me. And for that, I'm like very excited. And thank you so much for this program, Tina. Only because of you, I can do this. I know. Thank you so much.
It's a pleasure, my pleasure. But your transmission is going to inspire a lot of people. And I hope you understood now what we mean by body healing, Hannah. That is what has happened. Your health concerns, your health, you are feeling good health wise. So great. I'm very, very happy for you, Rosie. And we are looking forward to get the best version. Whatever you wanted to achieve your ideal weight will surely will reach.
Yes.
Okay, then Rosie, nice to have you here. Bye bye. Take care.
Bye. Take care. Thank you.